Good morning, class 10. Welcome all of you in this special period of mathematics. My dear students, we have started pair of linear equations. And once again, I would like to remind all of you, there are three algebraic methods and one graphical method to solve a pair of linear equations. But this session, CBSE has removed one topic, that is cross multiplication method. There are three methods in algebra to solve a pair of linear equation. Method of substitution, which you are going to learn, method of elimination, and method of cross multiplication. So now you leave it, cross multiplication. And other method is graphical method. I have already explained in 3.2 or 3.1. How will you solve a pair of linear equation with the help of graph? You draw the graph of the given equation. You will get two straight lines. There will be three possible situations if you draw the lines on the graph paper. Either the lines will be intersecting, or lines may be coincident, or lines may be parallel. I have already explained. Now you see the method of substitution. This method, you can understand the meaning of substitution. In this method, we find the value of variable x or y. We find the value of variable x and y in terms of other variables. Suppose if you are finding the value of x, you put that value in the other equation. You will get the equation of single variable and you will solve. And that is why it is called method of substitution. Now you see one question I would like to solve. X plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. You first of all, numbering should be given. Number one, equation 1, because many equations you will get, so you will keep in your mind, you should give the numbering. From equation 1, x is equal to 14 minus y. Now we have changed x in the terms of y. Now you put this value in equation second. On substituting, substitute is a verb of you know what is the meaning of substitution. So we get the value of x is equal to 14 minus y. Now you put this value in equation second. Now you see the equation had become of one variable. Now on simplifying, minus y, 2 minus 2y, like that, you are getting y is equal to 5. Now you put this value y is equal to 5 in any equation, either 1 or 2 or 3. But this will be easier to put the values in equation third. Although you can give this value in any equation, you will get the value of x. So we have put here the value of x, value of x is equal to 5. We have put in this value. So you are getting 9. 9 and 5 are the solution of this equation. Now question may arise whether you are right or wrong. How will you verify you are right or wrong? You put these values of x and y in the given equation. If both conditions are satisfied, this means you are right. Otherwise, no. You see, 9 and 5. 9, x is equal to 9, y is equal to 5, 9 plus 5, 14, 35. And 9 minus 5, 4. It is a simple equation, but in all the question, the method will be same. Maybe simplification a little bit difficult, but procedure will be same. This is known as method of substitution. So, my dear students, this is one method. Other method you will learn, method of elimination. And I have already reminded you that cross multiplication method has been removed from CBSE. So don't go on that method. Now, my dear students, I would like to remind what is the method of substitution. In method of substitution, we find the value of a variable in terms of other variable. Understand? And now you can watch this solution. Whatever I am explaining, you can see the solution. I re-explain. In this method of substitution, we find the value of a variable in terms of other variable, and you put this value in other equation. On simplifying, you will get the value of one variable, and now you put this value of the variable in other equation, any equation, equation 1, 2 or 3, you will get the values of both the variables. This method is called method of substitution, because we have substituted the values of x, and that is why it is known as method of substitution. Substitute, you know very well. You are the player of cricket, you might have seen fielders are substitution. So that is the meaning of the word, and this is the process. So this is called method of substitution. So my dear students, so method of substitution, I have solved one question, and if you have any doubt in other questions, I am confident that you will solve nearly all the questions if you understand this method. And मैंने कहा कि simplification may be difficult in some question, but the procedure is same. So procedure is, we find the value of a variable in terms of other variable. Here, आप पूछ सकते हैं कि सर क्या हम y का वैल्यू निकाल के x के रूप में पुट कर सकते हैं? Yes, that is also y equal to 14 minus x. You see, from equation 1, alternative method, we are finding the value of y in terms of x. Y equal to 14 minus x. This is equation 3. Now you put this value in equation number 2. So you will get x minus 14 minus x. So that should be putting in your mind, if there is a minus sign, you know very well this is the rule of removing the bracket. Minus, all the sign will be changed. So this is x minus y is equal to 4. Now you x minus 14 plus x x minus y is equal to 4 x 2x, and this will be this side 18, x is equal to 9. Now you put the value in equation 3. So what will you get the value of y? 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. So same result you are getting, and this means इसका मतलब हुआ कि x का value y में either from equation 1 or equation 2. It is not necessary that you should always try to find the value of one variable from equation 1. It depends upon the nature of the question. So this is called method of, and similarly, if you ask, sir, can we find the value of x or y from equation 2? And can we put this value in equation 1? Yes. So there are many methods. Method is same although, but many ways to solve this type of question, method of substitution. So I am sure that you will complete this exercise 3.3 and method of substitution. And that's all for today. And if you have any doubt, you will try to contact me and I will try to solve your question. Thank you and have a nice day.